In this video, I'll show you how to turn off location services on your MacBook. Location services allows apps and system features to use your Mac's location, but if you don't want apps tracking or using your location, you can easily turn it off. To get started, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of your screen. From the menu, click on System Settings. Once System Settings opens, look on the left-hand side and click on Privacy and Security. Now scroll down until you see Location Services, then click on it. Here, you'll see a list of apps and services that can use your location. To turn off location services completely, switch off the toggle at the top next to Location Services. Your Mac may ask you to enter your password or use Touch ID to confirm the change. After that, location services will be turned off, and apps will no longer be able to access your location. You can also choose to keep location services on and only turn it off for specific apps. Just leave the main location services option enabled, then turn off the toggle next to any app you don't want to access your location. And that's it. You've successfully turned off location services on your Mac. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.